It's a topic that I took from the church addressing holistic deliverance and restoration. One of the sessions that I was taking care of. So when I was preparing for this relationship, deliverance and restoration, I was like, I need to bring this thing up. This one, I want my ladies, my guys to know about this. It is very important. We've been talking about abuse, we'll be talking about a whole lot of things, and now we want to rebuild the home. And relationship is very, very, very sensitive topic. Maybe you are in a relationship, or maybe you're planning to get into relationship, or maybe you are going through some situation in your relationship. Any form of relationship is different. Very, very important topic, especially in a time like this. But what is relationship? What actually is relationship? And how can you know that you are in a relationship? Now, relationship is to share understanding with each other. He's talking about sharing one thing in common, sharing something in common. Who do you share with? Husband and wife, they share things in common. They share their bodies in common. They share entitlement. They share their finances. They share their sorrows. They share their pain. They share a whole lot of life. But when it comes to brothers and sisters, they do not share their bodies, but they share riches. They share a whole lot of things. So there are limitations in sharing. When you talk about your friend, the things that you share, there are limitations. But these things that we share, it should be something of common value. What are we sharing? No, there are different things that people share together. If you know what they share together, you know the kind of relationship that is there. You cannot share some kind of things with me. You will know the kind of relationship that I am with you. And you will know the kind of relationship the other people, oh, they might share this, they might share that. They have different kind of things they share in the relationship. That's how you know the kind of relationship that you find. You know, your colleagues in the office, you know the kind of relationship. Servants and master, you know the kind of relationship. Oh, brethren in the church, you know the relationship in the church or in the religious place. Oh, the pastor and the membership. You know, religious head and the member, you know the kind of relationship. There are limitations. The only thing you can understand is knowing what you share. But the problem that we have, most of us, we don't know. We are just in a relationship, but we don't know what we are sharing in the relationship. We don't know, we don't know, we don't know. What are we sharing? If you know what you're sharing, you know the kind of relationship that you are in. You know what you're sharing. Now, let's take the case study of Jesus and his disciples. Jesus shared everything with his disciples. He shared secrets, he shared everything with his disciples. He shared ideas. But the moment he sees the multitude, he will start to speak in parable. And one day the disciples were like, oh, teacher, I've noticed you. You have been talking to us straight, but anytime you see those people, and you start to be speaking in parables. Why? But remember, Jesus has a relationship with the multitude. He had a relationship because he shared with them. He shared food, he shared healing, he shared blessing, but he never shared secrets with them. That is understanding limits in relationship. You know the problem we have? Once you say, this is my friend, you want to open up everything. You should know the limitation in this friendship. Know the kind of friend that you have. Know the kind of relationship. Because anyone you have relationship is a friend. But understand the limit in in that relationship. Somebody that the only thing that you share is food, you should know that this person that you are sharing is food. You cannot share your secret inside your home. There are sensitive things you cannot share, maybe financial life, maybe certain things, family issues, and all of those. There are limits. Don't be overwhelmed or be manipulated in some kind of relationship or to loving people, because certain people they want to overdo things for them to be loved. We can love everyone, but love does not say that you should go into some kind of thing that for you to be accepted. The only one that you are permitted to holistic relationship is your spouse. He's supposed to, because your husband or your wife, this husband is supposed to be your husband, your friend, your brother, your everything. And your wife supposed to be like a mother, a sister, a daughter, everything to you. Because they are the one that we're supposed to oneness, both of them, they are no longer two. We talked about that. It's one. Let's know the limits. Let's know the limits. There are things that goes on in a relationship. Some people should not know about all of those things. So the only holistic relationship is husband and wife. There's some relationship that we find ourselves in husband and wife. I don't even know. We'll pray for the day that we'll pray for restoration. But you're supposed to be one the person that you're supposed to be sharing everything. Everything. He's the one that you're supposed to be sharing everything with. You will see nowadays, you will feel like, oh, the one people will know more about you out there. And the one that's supposed to know about you, they don't know anything about you. They don't know anything about you. It's very, very serious and important. Because when it comes to brotherhood, it should be there. When it comes to the confidence zone, it should be there. When it comes to husband, it should be there. When it comes to, he's the only one that we should not place limits. But in life, we should not limit to things that we cannot tell people. It's not everyone that